Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to save an email as a PDF file in Outlook. What are the advantages of saving a mail as PDF? It helps in archiving important information. It also helps in sharing and keeping a record of information that is important. So, we are going to be using this mail as an example to show us how to save a mail as PDF on Outlook. So to do that, make sure you're on the home page. Then at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find this icon that stands for print. You click on print, and then it's going to open something like this. At the top left corner, click on print again. Now, at the destination, make sure it is Microsoft Print to PDF. Then go down and click on print again. Good. Here you can save your file. Let's say I want to save this file as house. Now, the type of document, it is a PDF document, and then click save. It's simple. Your mail has automatically been saved as a PDF file. Try this next time you want to save a mail as a PDF, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this one. Bye for now.